Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're in, I won't say Antalya, but we're not in Antalya, we're in Alanya. Let's have a little look around. So, yeah. You've got your bags, as always. The old scooters out here that you can rent. Don't know how much they cost. I've never really done it before. Always walking. Always walking. Kebab house down there. And kebab and meze. No one's made a Caribbean place out here yet. I haven't seen one Caribbean place in Turkey. I think they've got a lot of Africans doing the old cleaning jobs, so give them another 20 years. They would have earned enough money. They get a few African restaurants maybe here and there. But let me know in the comments if you've ever seen one. It was in Fadaraki. They had a Jamaica bar. It was no Jamaicans. No Jamaicans at all. Just Greek people. Using the names. We get something at home. When I go to a fish and chip shop and I walk in there and there's Chinese people running the fish and chip shop, I never get the best fish and chips. I mean, you can be any race to make fish and chips, of course. You can go to college, you can learn any cuisine. But to be, into it. I've just never had a good Chinese fish and chips before. How about you, Sabrina?
I grew up in an area where our favourite Chinese was a fish and chippy, and I really enjoyed it. I feel like they did a really great job. But since sort of like moving out of there, I think now the best fish and chippy we actually went to was a Turkish, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was probably the best. That was great portions, cooked well, and really affordable prices. Since then, it's hit and miss. We're always looking for a good one. Obviously, if you go to a restaurant, it's different. We're talking more like the takeaway. So yeah, takeaway, it really is hit and miss. A big Skechers there. I did notice there's quite a lot of H&M that always sort of transfers through. And that, and what's the other one? I can't remember off the top of my head. There is a few sort of stores that we have back home that you can always find sort of pretty much anywhere. A bit dark down there.
They challenged me on the old editing, haven't they?
Nice different little vibe, isn't it?
Cheese and wine. It's very nice. Yeah. Everyone big in there smoking in Europe. Everybody. We go to France, same thing in France. France, everyone.
Very
Everyone
European
loves...
as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, everyone smokes in England, I know as well.
I feel like now it's a lot more people vape.
Okay.
Vape's taken over.
Well, because cigarette prices have gone through the roof. So they can't afford to smoke. Maybe that's a difference. Affordability. Most people are not rich in our circle. So yeah, down there you're going to have the water down there. You've got the marina. So we'll come back this way at night time. Have a little look around. Quickly cross this what's on green man.
It's green.
Yeah. We get across. So yeah, down there's a marina. All your taxis right here. I don't know if they've got jaywalking here. If they have, what we asked. Never heard of it. I've seen people driving on the pavement here. I don't think anyone cares if you walk on there's a red man.
Well, some parts of the world, jaywalking, you get fined.
Yeah, but I'm just saying here I've seen them drive on the pavement.
Yeah.
So I doubt it really matters here. I mean, the bus driver is on his phone. Everybody's on their phones all the time. It's not like in England. Get caught on your phone in England, that's it. 6 points. Get caught again, you're banned. So you got McDonald's as always. Here you go. Here you go. Prove my point exactly. I don't think anyone cares.
Yeah, a lot more fast food joints
Yeah.
this side of the island. Just keep saying island, this is part of Antalya.
This is not Antalya either. This is Alanya. So Sabrina doesn't know where she is.
This region of Turkey.
There we go. She's catching on. Done about quick. So price is there. So here's the Domino's. Let's get ourselves some dinner. Burger King over there. Looking all glitzy, got all the sparkles on. Mud City, Madu, whatever that even means. Let's go Domino's. Get our tuna pizza. And our hotel is right round the corner.
So yeah, next time I'll see you is probably exploring the nightlife in the marina.
Let's quickly check some prices quickly. Get you guys past 8 minutes. Make sure you subscribe and everything, guys, yeah? Let's have a little look what you can get. So what is there? So around about what we're looking for. 330 margarita. Doesn't say its price. Yeah. So Sabrina's getting that back to me. But yeah, guys. Cheers for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.